Hello everyone, today I'm making fresh cream donuts. Everyone's been asking for this and here it finally is. And this is my late mother's recipe, and obviously it's been passed on to her. First things first, it's 1 cup of lukewarm water with 2 tablespoons of butter that has been melted in your bowl. I also have 1 cup of lukewarm milk, and then you just check with your finger, not too hot, just right, and then you can throw in your yeast. Okay, so I'm going to throw in 10 grams of yeast and half a cup of sugar, and we're going to stir. Now in summer I would just throw all the ingredients together without doing this because it's hot and you don't need that extra, extra heat or blooming of the yeast. But it's winter, it's cold, and dough behaves just differently in winter. And when you work with flour, it's always a plus minus, okay? So when I say 6 cups, you can add 6 cups, but try to also rely on your touch and feel of the dough. So this dough wants to be, this is a sticky dough, right? It's not going to be that smooth dough. Okay, I'm also going to add vanilla essence. That's a tablespoon. You can add more if you like. I'm just going to let this sit for a few minutes, just to help it wake up a bit because it's quite cold outside. Okay, and I'll be right back. Okay, the sugar is nicely dissolved in there, and now I'm just going to add 1 egg. Give it a quick whiskey. There we go. Stir. And now we're going to add the flour, the baking powder, and the salt. So this asks for 6 cups of flour, 5.5 to 6 cups, okay? There we go. Put this one side. Now we're going to add, over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do a 5.5 for now, and we'll keep this to work it in. And then 3 teaspoons of baking powder and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Okay, and I'm going to go in. Must I now? Just stir. And that's your donut dough. It's very easy. Okay. It's nice and sticky. Go. Okay, it's perfect. I'll know now when I use the oil if I added enough flour, and I'll know by the touch. Okay, This is the no knead donut. Okay, we feel, there we go. So now when you touch it with the oil, you see, and now that is perfect. I'm just gonna transfer this into a bowl, a greased bowl. And then I'm gonna close it with cling wrap. The oil is already in here. Close it with cling wrap, and then we're gonna let it rise until double in size. Okay. Sorry for my hand, guys. See? Perfect dough. Relax day. So move. Okay, I'm gonna cover this with cling wrap and let it rise, and the next step is we're gonna make the shapes. Okay, and here's the dough, nice doubled in size. Ooh, I've also oiled my cling wrap on the side so it doesn't stick. Okay, I'm gonna knock it down. Some oil on my hands. Knock it down. There we go. Oh, this is gonna be liquor. There we go. Nice, nice. Okay, let's do the shapes. Okay, so I'm making the long ones. You can roll it out as well on your surface. I'm doing it here on flour because I have this Caesar stone and it's quite cold, so I don't want it on a cold surface, especially now in winter. Okay, I'll just carry on, and I'll also make a round one, oval shaped one. You can see it's a round ball. And now I'm just gonna press it out, and that's the round ones. You see, I'm making it long because when I pick it up it stretches. Okay, I mean I make it shorter than I would actually want it. So I'm just going to carry on, then I'm going to finish this by covering it, and it's going to rest for another 30 minutes, and then we're going to fry. Okay guys, so now we're going to fry the donuts on a medium heat. I'm just going to test the sticky. Another few minutes. No? Okay, now we're going to take the one. Just be gentle. Go. It's medium heat. It's going to bubble now. And the last one from the long ones. It is a longer. There we go. And that is over. And on a medium heat, until golden brown on both sides. Okay. very light. You can make it thinner or smaller, whatever you like, okay? Okay, now I'm going to fry this off and we'll be right back. There we go. Fresh cream donuts. Now sometimes I open it and I put in fresh cream, a little strawberry jam or raspberry jam or coulis, and then I cover it with a little chocolate on top. I don't know if I must do that. What you guys think? I'll see. Okay, that is going very nice. And you're going to take it out, put it on a paper towel, and then let it cool off completely. I have made a syrup with 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water, and I just boiled it until it was not thick, but a nice stickiness to it. And I'm just going to dunk it into, when it's cold, dunk it into the sugar syrup that's also cold. Just 1 dunk and out, and that will sweeten the outside, because what happens is if you don't, it's just going to taste like a fat cook with fresh cream. So you want that sweetness, make it a dessert. Again, people, you can also, when it's cold, put it in a freezer bag and freeze it until you're ready. And in the night before, you take it out, and in the morning you whip up your cream or make some custard, and then there we go. Fatima is your uncle. Okay, I'm going to take it out now. Lekketjes, man. Okay, lekketjes. Okay, now the round ones. Put it a bit lower. Whoopie. They're gonna be big and fat. I can't help it when I end up always making gafties. I just don't know why. Don't put on too much, because it really swells up. Really, really big. Okay, and that's the round ones. Go. Come on. Okay. See, and here's the round ones. Okay guys, here I am back. I'm outside in the garden. And now I'm going to just put cream in it. Lekketjes, man. There, Sunny. Sunny boy. Okay, let's do this. So I've taken a serrated knife and I just cut it. Don't cut all the way through, eh? You're going to make a slice, literally. And just open it gently. And this is my fresh cream, and this is 500 ml of fresh cream whipped with 3 tablespoons of icing sugar and a tablespoon of vanilla essence, and I just whipped it until stiff peaks. And I'm just going to carry on. You can pipe any way you like, eh? Ek pipe maar net hoe ek likes. Okay, and now the smaller ones, just show you. Did you see that now? Okay. And then I'm gonna put on the cherries. Cherry, cherry lady, with emotion, honey, to my heart. Cherry, cherry lady. Okay, almost done. There we go. And then put on the cherries. Okay. Don't put one on the round ones and 3 on the longer ones. Very easy to make. Lekker sit ek nou hier buitekant in die tuin and enjoying myself. And this takes me back many moons ago, making this with family. Yeah, then one gets to cut the cherries, the other one gets to do that. Sunny, what you doing there? Don't catch on nonsense, no? You can dust with icing sugar. Brent, wil jy Brent, you want a... Okay. Hang so aan, is alright. Daar blaf Sunny. And there it is, guys. Fresh cream donuts, lekker man. Taking you back. I'm thinking of Westridge. There was a bakery in Westridge by Foodland, and on Sunday mornings they used to sell the old cakes, and you'd get like a big bag of everything for R1. And then we go early in the morning. We stand in the queue there. It was the owner's name is Andre, and oh my word, that was the best in Westridge. Mitchell's Plain. Oh, that's my place. And there it is, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I know this video is a bit longer than normal, but that's a cooking lesson for you, a baking lesson and cooking lesson for you. Anyways, there we go. And cake for Sunny. Sunny. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'll be back again with another one soon. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.